one, I have just gotten back from work, so I'm feeling a little bit disheveled, but this was one of those things where it was like, if I do not tell you this right now, I am never going to tell you, and I really wanted to tell you because I'm super excited about this thing I got in the mail yesterday, actually. I've talked and talked and talked about this, but I have cut off Ipsy and Birchbox because I felt like I was just not getting my money's worth, and I replaced them both with one subscription to Boxycharm. So Boxycharm is $21 a month, so it's a little bit more. It's the same as my Glossy Box, which I love. I love Glossy Box. So I was expecting more from this than I was from Ipsy or Birchbox, both of which are $10. And gonna be honest, not disappointed. So I'm gonna show you what I got in this month's Boxycharm, and we can talk about it a little bit. One thing I found interesting about Boxycharm is everybody gets the same box, more or less. You get like a different color of the lipstick or something, but everybody pretty much gets the same box. Just saying right off the bat, right now, if you want good swatch pictures and price information, everything is going to be in the description bar on my blog post, so check that out down there. The first thing in here is probably like the biggest, and is the Previse, P-R-E-V-I-S-E, Previse Hydro Milk. Hydration with potent antioxidant botanicals. So it's this giant thing of moisturizer, and something I found interesting was when you like open up its little cap, the tube is super long and has a tiny little opening on it. I used this today, and you only need a tiny little bit, so this tub is gonna last me forever. Like, I don't know how long it's gonna take me to go through this, but I'm not gonna be buying moisturizer for a long time. This is not as heavy as I really prefer my day creams to be, but it does seem to do a pretty good job. Like, I wore it all day and I haven't had any dryness. Although we're coming up into winter, and so I'm gonna start having a lot more dryness, and then maybe this won't cut it, but I'm not sure. So far, I am happy with this, and I am excited to keep on using it, and it's huge, so there's not gonna be any more moisturizer buying for a long, long time. Next item, a little bit less excited about. This is the Scratch Limited Edition Nail Wrap. So it's like the peel-off nail polish that you just stick onto your fingers. I only do nail wraps like very special occasions. I don't do them like regularly, every day kind of thing. And Scratch is actually another subscription service where they send you a box of nail wraps every month. And so when I opened this, it was like, oh, I'm not interested in that. There's no way. And there was even a coupon to get 50% off your first Scratch box. These are kind of a cute pattern. They're like this lace and gold. It's not going to show up super well on camera, but I have some pictures down below on my blog. I liked the pattern, but I couldn't see myself wearing it. And then I realized I have this wedding on Friday. One of my friends is getting married, and the dress I'm wearing like matches these perfectly. Like, it's lace and gold, and it's going to work really well. And so I got more excited about these. I'm excited to wear them. I'm going to do a get ready with me for that like wedding outfit, hair, makeup thing. And so look for these there, because I'm gonna put them on for that. I looked online at a couple of reviews, and these seem to be pretty standard for nail wraps. I've used the Sally Hansen ones in the past, and they've been fine. They haven't been special, they haven't been spectacular, but they haven't been terrible either, and it seems like these are pretty similar. So overall, you know, just okay, but something interesting. If this is something you're into, definitely check out Scratch. It's just not really my thing. Going from something I wasn't too excited about to something I was really excited about, this is the Vasanti Professional Foundation Brush. And I have a foundation brush, and I think it sucks, and so I use my Beauty Blender pretty much exclusively for my foundation. I never use brushes or anything. Sometimes I might use a buffing brush at the very end, like when I'm doing powder, just to get rid of some lines, but overall, not so much. I used this to put on my foundation this morning, and it is like a game changer. Like, it outdid my Beauty Blender for sure, and it's super soft, and the tip is extra flexible, so it's really good for blending out around your nose and stuff, which is so good. And really, this is a routine changer for me. I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender less and start using this brush more. I am so excited. I also wanted to clean it so it still looked nice for this video, and it was super easy to clean, and all the makeup came off really easily. Most of the brushes that I use are natural fiber. They're like real, like boar hair or whatever they make them out of. And this is synthetic. So I think that that might be kind of the difference in the cleaning, but it doesn't matter. It's super great. I love it. Now, kind of keeping on the up and down theme, something I was less excited about. This is the Cella Eyebrow Defining Gel. And it's pretty standard eyebrow gel. It has a little spoolie wand. The issue with this, it's clear. There is nothing here. You can rub it on your skin, on your eyebrows, on whatever, and it doesn't do a thing. And that is terrible. My problem was, you think there's nothing there, Except then all of a sudden you realize that your forehead is sticky, and that's really like a no-no for me because I have bangs, like no sticky products near the bangs. That's not okay. And so this was really just a big miss for me. I know that some people really like this. Like I've heard other bloggers talking about how much they love the Cello Eyebrow Defining Gel, and I just can't stand it. So I'm okay giving this one a pass, but really that is the only dud in this whole box, so I'm okay with that. This is something that I opened the box and I was like, oh my god, we have a winner. Stay and subscribe to you. This is the Tarte Skinny Smolderize Amazonian Clay Waterproof Liner in the shade Golden Tiger's Eye. And oh man, did I get some compliments when I wore this today. It is this beautiful, like, golden brown, and like somehow it comes up a little bit plummy. It's just perfect for fall, and I'm so excited. I'm not really a big fan of like the smudgy look. That's not really my jam, but it does have a pretty sturdy smudger. You guys will remember that in my glossy box, the smudger like totally broke off the end of one of my products. Not the case with this. This is amazing. And Tarte is a fantastic brand. This is a full-sized eyeliner, and I am just over the moon amounts of happy about getting this. Also, I have a really hard time keeping eyeliners on, and when Tarte says something is waterproof, they are not messing with you. It is waterproof, and it is gonna stay on all day, and for me, most of the night, which I think is awesome. So this was a real winner for me, and I'm gonna love the crap out of it. So those 5 items were the official, like, comes in the box items, but then there was one bonus item. And this was something that I probably would not have bought myself, but that I was really interested in trying. And it is the Kardashian Beauty Black Seed Dry Oil. And I had decided long ago I was not gonna buy any of their beauty or hair lines just because when I think about celebrity endorsed lines, they're really rarely good enough, right? Like they're just not great, and I didn't want to spend the money because this isn't super cheap to find out that their stuff is crappy, and I'd heard really mixed reviews, and so I decided not to. Tried out this dry oil today, just to kind of calm down the frizz a little bit. When I wear my hair curly, I don't like to put a lot of product in it. I usually just do my mousse and then nothing else, but I decided to use this to smooth down the frizz, and it is amazing. You get that gorgeous shine without getting any of the greasiness. And it really does feel like a dry oil. It doesn't leave a residue. Once again, with the bangs, I don't want greasy stuff touching my forehead because then I'm just gonna break out like crazy. I'm not concerned about this. I'm not concerned about that happening. Overall, like total, like everyday Kate stamp of approval because this stuff is great. And I don't know why I was so reluctant to try it. I mean, I know why I was so reluctant to try it, but I'm willing to look past that now and go with this guy again. I'm definitely gonna buy the full size of this because I like me a good hair oil, and this one's a winner. So that was this month's Boxycharm. Overall, I am just beyond impressed, and I cannot wait for next month because it is gonna be a good one. I can tell right now. This first box was super awesome, and I cannot wait to figure out what is coming up next with their full-size products. Also important to note, everything in this box was full-size except for that Kardashian Beauty dry oil. Everything else was the full-sized item, which is great. I've never seen that in another box, and this is just super exciting. I'm not sure how the economics of this box work, like how can they afford to get me such great things for this price, but overall, just beyond impressed. Definitely a good subscriber. If you liked watching this video, if you could give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Maybe subscribe if you would like to see my face some more. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite beauty boxes are. Do you get a Boxycharm? Were you impressed this month? Did you think these things sounded crappy? Let me know. I'm curious to know what you guys think. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.